Good evening. It is 11 minutes past 8, and I thought I'd bring the camera out because I just got back from 7-Eleven on the corner there, and the cicadas are really noisy tonight. Oops. And that tree is very bumpy. This is the yard. Here we go. It must be up in the trees. Here we are. It's summertime in Central Florida. Things are growing pretty good. Oh, look at this. Boy, the vines have just taken over. It's great. Amazing, amazing vines. Can you believe it? Wow. They're doing pretty well down there. Everything's looking pretty good. All right. Yep. Oh, look, Betsy's home. She's reading her latest copy of Conservative Weekly with a special article on Rush Limbaugh and Sean Hannity. Oh, look at this. Oh, my goodness. Ah, just taking over here. I was doing some weeds earlier, and you can see that everything is very green. And there we go around the house and nobody knows, and there's the big tree. Ooh, I'm dizzy. And here we go. This is looking pretty good. Oops, I'll trip and fall and break my neck. Yes, that's a big tree, ladies and gentlemen, and it goes up and up and up and up and over and around, and the branches go down that way. It's amazing. What a tree. All right. And of course, it would not be complete without my favorite leaves and plant. It is huge, it is big, it is gigantic, it is amazing. It's a dinosaur plant. You can see how big it is. There's the size of my hand, and there's the size of the leaf. Very nice. Okay, let's go around back here. Check my tire. It's still up, thank the Lord. Got a nail in it today somehow. Backyard. All right. Looking good. Air conditioning turns on, and the lovely sound of the cicadas singing their song. There's a moon out tonight. And that's pretty much it. It's amazing. I'm going to have to go down here and close the gate again. Make sure I get that. It's very hot. It's very humid. No rain. But it's Central Florida in the summertime. That's the way it is. And take care and God bless.